In this video today, we have a tour of a house that we recently bought from a distressed seller, and we renovated it and we sold it to an investor for $90,000. I seem to always have something for sale. If that is something you're interested in, you can email me and I can tell you what I have for sale. And we also have another program that we're doing where we partner in the buying of the house from the distressed seller. And those houses we usually sell for right around $85,000. And if you would like to get information on that program, you can contact me, use Calendly, and give me a call. It's super helpful to me when you watch these videos if you subscribe. And let's get into it and see the tour of this house.
All right, here we are at 20067. Just getting ready to move somebody in the next few days. Let's go inside and take a look. It's got a new roof on this place. We put all new windows in, new security doors, painted the lower exterior. All right, here we are, come in the entryway, put down some LVP here. Living room, new blinds, new windows, all new paint. Come through here. Bedroom 1. New lights, smoke and carbons are all present. Bedroom number 2. Same thing, new lines, new lights, smoke carbons. Here's the main floor bathroom. Some light here. Shower, new toilet, new vanity, new floor. Here's the kitchen. It's a nice sized kitchen with a little dining area over there. We got the house sitter stand here. That's his setup right there, but a stove and fridge are here. Nice cabinet setup. New hood range. Come back out here, go upstairs. Upstairs. This is a nice area here. It could be a little office or storage, I guess. And then we go down here into the bedroom. Really nice sized bedroom up here with a big closet. New doors we put in. Some storage here. Then the bonus is another full bath. Sink, toilet, shower. We redid that shower, everything there. Let's come back down, take a look at the basement. Side door. Come down the basement. Nice clean basement. Renzi's bike. All pimped out. Come in here to the utility side. Took out the old water heater. New furnace installed here. Utility sink with the hookups. Brand new water heater just installed. Got nice glass block windows throughout the basement. There. Updated electrical. Breakers. That's all good. And that's it. 20067 Alcoy. I'm gonna throw some carpet on these steps. The carpet guys ran out of carpet yesterday, but I can throw some on there. But new kitchen floors throughout. That's it. Nice looking place. New security doors. Nice neighborhood too. All the way down. Both sides. All right, that's it. See you later.